From Mao Zedong to Jared Leto, December 26's wild celebrity facts. Welcome back to Celebrities in History. Today, December 26 steps into the spotlight with star-studded birthdays, iconic films, unforgettable tunes, and heartwarming stories tucked beneath tinsel and stardust. If you crave mind-boggling trivia, cosmic giggles, and timeless whispers of fame, you're in the right place. Subscribe, tap that notification bell, and join us as we unwrap hidden treasures from history's red carpet. Prepare for a dazzling sleigh ride through unforgettable legacies. Number 20. On December 26, 1940, the Philadelphia Story premiered. Cary and Katharine Hepburn charmed audiences with wit and elegance, making it a timeless romantic comedy classic. Number 19. On December 26, 1963, the Beatles released I Want to Hold Your Hand in the US. The song's infectious energy launched Beatlemania, revolutionizing the American music scene. Number 18. On December 26, 1973, The Exorcist shocked theaters. Its terrifying scenes and eerie atmosphere made it one of the most influential horror films ever created. Number 17. On December 26, 1980, 9 to 5 debuted. Starring Dolly Parton, Fonda, and Lily Tomlin, this workplace comedy highlighted gender equality with humor and sass. Number 16. On December 26, 2001, Ali premiered. Will Smith's portrayal of Muhammad Ali captured the boxing legend's charisma, resilience, and triumphs. Number 15. On December 26, 2008, Marley and Me hit theaters. The heartwarming story of a mischievous dog reminded audiences of the joys and challenges of pet ownership. Number 14. On December 26, 1974, Jack Benny died at 80. The legendary comedian's impeccable timing and humor left an enduring mark on radio and television. Number 13. On December 26, 2012, Fonda Bass died at 72. The soul singer's hit, Rescue Me, remains a classic, showcasing her powerful voice and influence on R&B music. Number 12. On December 26, 2000, Jason Robards died at 78. The two-time Oscar-winning actor was known for his memorable performances in All the President's Men and Magnolia. Number 11. Born on December 26, 1893, Mao Zedong died in 1976 at 82. The Chinese revolutionary's leadership shaped the history and politics of modern China. Number 10. Born on December 26, 1921, Steve Allen died in 2000 at 78. The creator of The Tonight Show, his wit and humor defined late-night television. Number 9. Born on December 26, 1927, Alan King died in 2004 at 76. The comedian's sharp wit and humor made him a favorite on stage and screen. Number 8. Born on December 26, 1945, John Walsh will be 79 on December 26, 2024. As the host of America's Most Wanted, he dedicated his life to justice. Number 7. Born on December 26, 1954, Ozzie Smith will be 70 on December 26, 2024. The Hall of Fame shortstop dazzled with his acrobatic fielding and consistent excellence. Number 6. Born on December 26, 1963, Lars Ulrich will be 61 on December 26, 2024. As Metallica's drummer, his thunderous beats have defined heavy metal for decades. Number 5. Born on December 26, 1971, Jared Leto, will be 53 on December 26, 2024. Known for intense roles and fronting 30 Seconds to Mars, his talent captivates audiences. Number 4. Born on December 26, 1979, Chris Daughtry will be 45 on December 26, 2024. The rocker's powerful vocals and songs have made him a post-American Idol success story. Number 3. Born on December 26, 1991, Eden Sher will be 33 on December 26, 2024. Known for her role in The Middle, her comedic talent shines brightly. Number 2. Born on December 26, 1992, Jade Thirlwall will be 32 on December 26, 2024. As a member of Little Mix, her harmonies and stage presence captivate pop fans. Number 1. Born on December 26, 1986, Kit Harington will be 38 on December 26, 2024. Known for Game of Thrones, his portrayal of Jon Snow earned him global fame. Thanks for strolling through December 26's star-kissed carnival. If these cosmic tales ignited wonder, tap like, share your smiles, and subscribe. Your support unlocks even more sparkling discoveries and laughter drifting across time. Don't miss upcoming episodes where legends whisper truths, galaxies compose ballads, and curiosity thrives. Join us, stay adventurous, and keep celebrating epic stories twinkling beyond memory's horizon. Smash subscribe now, and let's keep shining together.